We're going on our family boat ride. We're going on a boat ride and we're gonna go across the lake. Well, not across the whole lake, but across part of the lake. And yeah. And then we're gonna get to a park and there's gonna be like a deck. It's one of those boats that's big, like a little balcony. And then it has a big inside in the middle, but not as big as like the actual And then we're gonna go to a playground.
Why are we walking so fast?
Because we're all late. Yeah.
We gotta catch our boat. Let's go. Why is this one of my favorite buildings? It's beautiful. Right, Neen?
The tiles and stuff.
What's happening, guys?
So, we don't know if it's going to be late for the boat or not. But,
No, we don't see the boat yet, do we?
no, we don't. But we think we're going to make it. Is that the dock right there? Because
That's the dock.
I don't see a boat on it.
That's the dock.
I don't see a boat on that.
I don't see a boat either.
Maybe
No.
we'll see it come across the lake.
Yeah. It's a little foggy.
It was rowing too.
Here's one.
Yeah. That's fun.
So, we made it to the dock. And the boat is all the way out here. I don't know if you can see, but it's in the fog.
It's coming through the fog. Let me zoom in.
Yeah. Can you get it?
I can just barely see it. Yeah.
So it's coming, and we made it before the boat. And then we were way closer to our house. Then our mom said, it's 10 minutes before the boat leaves. So we tried to hurry as fast as we can, and now we can make it to the boat before 10 minutes.
Yay!
Now we know we can make it to the boat before 10 minutes.
The boat's getting closer.
Yeah. And we
There it comes.
already. So there's the ball. You can see closer look at twins. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Can you see it?
I do see it. We're gonna get on that boat?
Yeah.
What?
And it's gonna come in on.
Oh. Yep.
The boat comes over here or over there, or any spot where there's going to be. And there are a lot of studios over there.
Whoa.
And so, whoever on the boat say, hey, here it comes!
Oh, you're right.
And so I got it in the test. First, it's wheels, and then the passenger hops off the boat, and then it pulls it in so all the passengers can walk on.
Right.
And it's coming in. See you when we're on the boat. Bye!
Mm-hmm. MS. Look at that mare. Pretty cool. Wait, there you go.
Well, we're on a huge boat.
We just said hi to the captain. There's a cafeteria on this boat down there. We might be able to. It's only a 20-minute ride. You want to wave to them? Very nice. There's the Zurich flag, and there's the Swiss flag. Very nice. Do you guys want to go up on the back there?
Can we go up to the higher level?
We can. There's the lake.
Can we do it now? I think
Ooh, the high part.
Bye-bye, have a nice day.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Pretty cool playground, guys. Right? Yeah.
So hi, this is how we make our famous car cookies. Yeah, sure. I'm a mold. These are the molds.
This is your famous car cookies?
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
This is so first, my two jobs. Here's the shape.
Oh, yeah.
He's trying to warm up.
I see.
First,
It's cold here.
my
Yeah.
two jobs are to load this up.
Yeah.
You wonder why we don't do on the top. Because it goes through this thing, it presses it, so it's very thin.
Ah.
And then it falls back into her mold. And
Can I-
then we can reuse it too, because it will fall here and go back in again. And keep
Okay, let's see you do it.
Okay. And then Margot puts it on there and puts it. And
Sounds
we love it.
delicious. Let's see it.
Okay, so let me go. It's delicious. They're cookies.
What are the flavors?
Chocolate chip.
Oh.
And these are chocolate chip, and we also have some vanilla. And we also have some strawberry and sugar flavor. And
All right.
this is for if we need to put sand in.
I see.
So here we go. Mary, it crushed. It almost got crushed.
Oh, I see. It goes through there and it falls into.
That's enough.
Okay. Oh, and it's special crushed sand. Got it. And then do you press it into cookies?
Yep. Watch this.
Woohoo! Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do another one. And sometimes I don't have to load up the sand because we already have some, so what's left over.
Mm-hmm.
But it's important to never put your fingers in here because it can cut your fingers.
Oh, yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to turn off the video because my hands are really cold holding the phone.
And we can make cookies very quickly.
All right. Bye-bye.
Why don't you put your milk? Okay, so I'm having more milk. We aren't on the boat yet, but oh wait, did we forget to film on the playground?
No, I got some video of playground.
Did you get a video of us playing superheroes?
I'm not sure. Maybe.
Because we played superheroes, just in case Sarah didn't get one. But we also did cookies with Justine,
Uh-huh.
and yeah.
Had a lot of playtime today.
Mhm.
Really nice.
Does that warm milk taste good after on a cold day?
Yeah.
All right. There's Mary. Oh, she's gone. Don't know where she is. All right. See you later. Are you guys going to talk about Kusnacht?
Who's Kusnacht? Yeah.
There. That's the town we're in.
Oh. Well, I'm not going to talk about it, Mary.
See?
Bye. This is Kusnacht.
Did you like it here?
Yeah, it was fun. I had a good playground, and we both have sorry. We both have a lot of energy because we just ate pasta. Oh.
You had a good lunch of
I'm
pasta.
feeling silly right now, and I am too. But I'm really...
And the sun came out, and you guys are full of energy.
Bark, bark. Hey, Margo.
There's the lake.
Bring around Rosie. Oh yeah, let's do it.
Kusnacht.
Rosie. Margo, the next level should be
Here comes the boat.
The
Bye,
next level
Kusnacht.
Shouldn't the next level be this?
It's the same boat. And the same captain. There he is.
Hello.
It's the SS Albus. Go ahead.
Well, we're on the boat on our way home. Our adventure is ending, but it was very nice there, and it's very nice here, so that's very good. And on Monday, I'm gonna meet the new girl in our class. So school's going really well.
Okay.
Hello. So we're at the end, and I'm really, really tired, but it was fun, and my feet are aching. So I'm excited to get home and finish the rest of our movie we're watching. It's goodbye.
There's our house.
Down there. Mirage.